Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain about Nifty. Most of the people are not aware what is Nifty and how we can trade in intraday or in carry forward. So I'll be explaining all those things today. So before moving to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon to get notification for the upcoming videos. If anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking applications, you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. The same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So moving to my YouTube channel, if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Lipin EJ, and you can learn more about market. I upload a lot of videos related to market, and you can learn more about market. So it will be very helpful for the beginners to understand how market is functioning. So moving to my WhatsApp group, I have created a WhatsApp group also to help the beginners. So if anyone interested to join this group and earn money and where to invest, all those things I will be sharing in WhatsApp group. So you can see here like what are the suggestions I will be providing. So daily basis I will be providing like what are the things where we have to invest. So you can visit my description and you can join to this group. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about Nifty and how we can buy in intraday or how we can buy in carry forward and how we can sell on the next day or before expiry. So all those things I am going to explain today. So what is Nifty? So Nifty is like Nifty normally we say as Nifty 50. So it is composing of 50 shares. Like what are the 50 shares are coming under Nifty. So once you click on the market index, we can see the Nifty, Census, Bank Nifty and all other things we can see. Under Nifty there will be 50 shares. So based on this 50 shares performance only, Nifty will be moving up or down. If the 50 shares are performing well, the Nifty will be going up. If the 50 shares are not performing well, then the Nifty will be coming down. So that is the basic things. These are the companies coming under Nifty. So we can see Dr. Reddy's Lab, HR Motor, GAIL, all those things companies are coming under Nifty. How to trade Nifty? So that is the next thing. So whenever we are going to purchase a Nifty, we should understand like what are the kinds of Nifties are there. The Nifties can be divided into two parts. One is futures and another one is option. So like once you click on Nifty here, you can see here like one is Nifty futures and Nifty options. So Nifty futures like it will be expiring on every month. So last Thursday of every month will be futures expiry. So if you are buying a future, you can hold till 1 month end. So like every Thursday of a month you can hold. So the expiry date you can see here like 25th June is next expiry. So till 25th June you can hold this Nifty. The same way if you are going with options, options will be expiring on every week. So every Thursday there will be expiry of option. So you have to be very careful. Whenever you are buying, you have to buy nearby the strike rate, because currently you can see the Nifty's rate is 10,142. So you have to buy nearby that strike rate. Otherwise you will be getting lost, because every week there will be expiry. So if you are going with options, you have to buy nearby the strike rate. So you can just add one of the futures here, and then let us see like how the options are functioning. So this is a future actually. So future will be expiring on every month last Thursday. So if you are buying any future, you can hold till 1 month end. So after that you have to sell. So that is about futures. And if you are going with options, you can click on the option chains, and here you can see there will be like one is like in the call part and another one is in the put. So call means like C, we will say. C means the call options. So if the Nifties are performing well, the calls will be going up and the put will be coming down. In the same way, when the market is not performing well, the puts will be going up and the C's will be coming down. So that is like just like opposite. Whenever there is a good performance in Nifty, the C's will be going up and the P's will be coming down. The same way, whenever the market is like looking bad, that time the P will be going up and the C will be coming down. So you can see like nearby the strike rate, like if you are trading for the next week, always try to buy nearby the strike rate. Like right now 10,150 is the strike rate. So if you buy nearby that, within 1 week it can cross the level. If those levels are not crossing, like in the C side, like if you are buying at 10,150, so if the level is not crossing, or whichever C's are above that, it will be 0. The same way P will be like below that. If you are buying 10,000 P, so you can see like going down always the rate will be coming down like 10,900 9,900, all those things will be coming down. So PE will be just opposite, should buy above that. If you are buying PE, you should buy above 10,200, like that you have to buy, because PE you have to buy above and C has to buy below. So those things you have to keep in mind. And here you can see every week you can see the expiry. So this is like weekly expiry. So 11th June there will be expiry, then 18th June we have expiry. So every based on the expiry, even like next week expiry also we can buy now and we can keep holding. So if you are thinking like, okay, market will perform within 1 week or 2 weeks, so by that time we can buy and we can hold for next week, or till expiry date we can hold. Only thing is that the Nifty has to perform well, otherwise we will get a loss. So those things you have to keep in mind. And if you want to buy any of the Nifties, you can add here, like for example, if you want, how we can buy a Nifty. So if you want to buy a C, just you can go here and you can add this one to one of the watch list here. So I am going to add Nifty here. So Nifty is added to here. You can see the C is added here. So if you want to buy here, you can just click here and you can see the options here. Like there will be options like buy or sell. So you have to just click on the buy button here. Once you click on the buy button, you can see here normal buy or stop loss buy or robo order. So just you can enter the quantity here, and then you can keep this one as market or limit in what price you want buy. And in here you can see like intraday or carry forward. Intraday means it is like you have to buy today and you have to sell today, and carry forward you can buy today and you can sell any day before expiry, like what are the date is mentioned there, on that date or before that you have to sell. So that is the major things of intraday and carry forward. So as soon as you enter the submit button, the order will be submitted. So whenever you want to sell the order, then you can directly go there and you can submit. So there is no nothing like basic things you should know. Only thing is that you should know like where to buy and when to exit. So there is no technical things or nothing is required. For buying is very easy. Actually you have to enter only the lot size, then you have to enter the product type and market. It's very easy actually. When you are going to buy something, it's like very within 1 minute or within 1 second you can buy a things. The same way you can sell also. Like once the things are done, you can keep the stop loss. You can go to order book and you can keep the stop loss, or you can go to position and you can square up the position. So all those things is available. The same way we can do PE also. If market is falling down, you can buy the PE, or if market is going up, you can buy the C. So this is the basic things of Nifty. So always you have to keep in mind, whenever you are going to trade in a Nifty, you have to buy nearby the strike rate. So that is more important. And the next thing I am going to explain how we can sell the carry forward position. For example, if you are buying today one Nifty, so we will buy in carry forward. So the carry forward position we did not sell today. So how we are going to sell on the next day? So next day what will happen? It will come to our position or it will come to our portfolio. So let us see in portfolio. So I have taken our position yesterday. So let us see what is the position I have taken. You can see yesterday I have taken a Nifty. So you can see the position 10,250 position I have taken yesterday. So that position you can see like what is the profit currently. So currently 3,000 rupees I am getting profit from only single lot. So my total investment is 4,178. So that much amount I have invested to this Nifty. So currently what is my status? So currently I have almost 7,230. So that is my profit is almost 73%. So with one lot I could achieve more than 70% in a day. That is remember that is the biggest profit you can achieve. Nowhere we can get 70% or even 5% also no one will give you if you are investing 4,000 rupees. So that is the best advantage. If you know like where market is going, buy one lot or two lot and keep it for next day or 1 week, you can make a good money out of it. Even you can make 200%, you can make 300%. And you can see what is my performance here. Here you can see I buy at 55 and the current rate is now 96. So almost 40 rupees I gain. That is what almost 80%. You can see my percentage is almost 73% right now. So right now if I am holding for the next day, again if market is going up, if I will be getting more profit on this. This is only one day I am holding now, because you can see 11th June is expiry. So today is Friday. So today is only Friday. So till we have another 4 more days. If Nifty is performing well, we could achieve on this date, because 10,250 is nearby the strike rate. With currently only 100 point has to go. so that I can make more money. So like that, whenever you are trading, you have to trade nearby the strike rate. So my current, you can see here, the current average buy is 55, and today's profit is 2300. You can see day gain or loss. So almost 2300 is my day gain, and total investment is here. And here you can see like what is my current status. Current status is 3000 rupees profit. And whenever, like when you are buying a carry forward position, the next day you want to sell, just go to the sell button. Here you can click on the sell button, then you can enter the quantity. So I have one quantity, and you can make it as in the market and carry forward and just submit. So once you submit the order, so it will be executing, so your profit will be coming down, coming here. So this will be very easy. You can make profit because I have squared off my position today. You can see my position today. So this was my position today. So I have buy at 55, and you can see what was my profit. So almost around 2000 rupees I have squared off my position. So I thought, okay, because 2000 is good enough for me, so I squared off my position, and this was my profit. Almost 2000 rupees I got. You can see here, this was my position. So around 82.65 I squared off. So almost 2000 rupees I gained. So almost like 50% I gained. So 50% is a good amount of money. With 4000 rupees investment, I am getting 2000 extra. So within one day I am getting 50%. So that is a good amount of money. So that is a nice square up. Once you square up, it will be showing like buying price 0. So don't worry about buying price. You can buying price always you have to go to portfolio and see, okay, this is your buying price 55. So in position it will show 0, and you can see the buy quantity is 1 and the sell quantity is 1, and total is like investment was 4000, and currently you can see the realized gain is 6000. So almost 2000 rupees is my profit. So this way you can make easily profit. So you have to, first thing you have to learn the market, you have to understand the market, then only you have to come into Nifty. So Nifty is little bit dangerous also. The same way you can make profit also. I think this topic is very clear. So this is so I think this topic is very clear. If you have any clarification or if you have any doubts, you can contact me. So kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon to get notification for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.